G'day folks, Clinton here at Tradipad. Got a little Tradify update for everybody today, something that we've been waiting for a very long time for from Tradify, and that is the ability to take an on-site payment. So the ability to take a credit card payment while you're there with the client in the Tradify app. So there's been a bit of a workaround for that in the past where you had to fiddle around with it, sending it to yourself and clicking the button to take the payment, but we've now got the ability to do it directly in the Tradify app. So I've got a job open here. If we jump into the invoices area of this job, there's an invoice that I created, and if I open up that invoice, you'll see now once the invoice has been created, and down the bottom here we've got this option to take an on-site payment. So as long as you've got your Stripe payment facility connected up to Tradify, when you hit that button, it opens up the screen where you can punch in a card number and expiry date, put the client's email address in, which will send them a copy of the payment receipt, and hit the green button to process it. So super simple, heaps easier than the old workaround way. So well done Tradify, about time. Something we've been waiting a long time for, but that's great. It's going to make a lot of people's lives easier with getting payments whilst you're on the spot, which has a massive improvement on cash flow and customer experience and all that cool stuff. So if you don't have payments turned on in your Tradify account and you want a bit of help with it, of course you can reach out to us. That's exactly what we're here for. Or even just a refresher or a review on Tradify. There's been a lot of really cool stuff that's been added into Tradify over the last little while. So if you just want a refresher session or something like that, we can help out with that. So we're here to help if you need it. Thank you everybody.